Yeah, then comes this question, still under grade 10 physical sciences. Now we are dealing with formula writing. And the question says, consider the compounds below. So these are the compounds. And then write the chemical name of each. Okay, let's start with A. What's the chemical name of A? It is calcium carbonate. If you recall well, this is calcium. That's the radical carbonate. We come to B. What is the chemical name of B? It is copper nitrate, or copper to nitrate, because copper is transition. We'll know that later as we proceed. Okay, let's go to C. What's the chemical name of C? Lead, also lead to sulfate. Why? Because lead has 2 and 4. Let's go to D. What is the chemical name of D? It's barium sulfate. Okay, then let's go to E. E is potassium permanganate. Okay, let's go to F. F is potassium dichromate. G, what is it? Is sodium chromate. Then we go to H. What is it? It's calcium sulfide. Yeah, so we come to this question. It says that write chemical formula of each of the following. Okay, the first one is sulfur trioxide. Okay, this approach to these questions, it's not necessary that you need to know the valences, but the name itself suggests how many attachments it has. So sulfur trioxide has sulfur and oxide, but 3. Sulfur dioxide has sulfur and oxygen with 2. Sodium sulfite, this one you need to follow the valence. Even here you do, but you can easily identify the formula. Here it's sodium with valence 1, and the sulfite, remember it comes from sulfate, it's missing 1 O from sulfate, so it's valence 2. This one gives you the formula as sodium, the 2 came here, and the sulfite comes there. So we come to calcium sulfate. It's calcium, valence 2, and the sulfate, valence 2. What do? They cancel to give you calcium sulfate like that. Okay, we come to carbon dioxide. It's carbon and oxygen, but 2. That's what dioxide. Then lead 2. I will need to know that when a compound is rated with a number here, it means that the valence of lead is going to be this number. And also it implies that lead has more than one valence or one oxidation number. To make it easier for you, they give you the oxidation state in which lead is existing. So our lead is in oxidation state 2 or valence 2. So we are going to say lead with 2 and nitrate with 1. You're going to check these valences. So what do we get here? We are going to get Pb NO3. Remember the 2 went there and 1 came here, but we don't write 1, but we are going to write the 2. But when you write the 2 there, we have to know that the 2 is for the whole nitrate. So what do? You put a bracket here to show that. Yeah, then this one comes. It says that write the chemical formula of each of the following. Okay, the first one is sodium hydroxide. What is it? We have sodium, it's valence 1, and hydroxide is valence 1. If they are the same, you ignore them and you get NaOH. Then comes this one, magnesium phosphate. It's Mg and the magnesium is group 2. Phosphate, this radical has valence 3. So what happens? They exchange and we get magnesium 3 and phosphate 2. But you have to remember that the 2 is for the whole phosphate. So have a bracket to show that. Then we come to potassium permanganate, which is K, valence 1. Then manganate is that, valence 1. What do? You ignore because they are the same. So you put potassium permanganate. We come to lithium carbonate. It is Li. Lithium is valence 1, so it's group 1. Carbonate is CO3, valence 2. So after exchanging, what do you get? You get lithium 2, CO3. Then we come to aluminium sulfide. So aluminium is valence 3, it's a group 3. Sulfite is SO3, valence 2. So what happens? They exchange. It becomes aluminium, valence 2, sulfite, valence, sulfite subscript 3. But the 3 is for the whole sulfite. So you put a bracket to show that. Then we come to copper 2 sulfide. You have to know that copper 2 means that the valence of copper is 2. They put 2 because copper can exist as 1 and 2. So they are trying to tell you that for this compound, copper is in oxidation state 2, having valence 2. And the sulfide is S, valence 2. So because they are the same, we cancel them and we get CuS. Then lastly, we have calcium nitride. It is a Ca valence 2 because calcium is group 2. Then nitride is simply N, but it's valence 3. What we get out of this is going to be calcium. After exchanging the valence, you have the 3, and the N, you have the 2. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, with me, Richard, here. Yes, we urge you to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share. And we also remind you that PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, is a science YouTube channel specializing in physical sciences grade 12, 11 and 10, and natural sciences grade 8 and 9. We advise you to make use of our simple playlist, which can guide you to access the material of your level easily. For grade 10, just go to playlist and click Physical Sciences grade 10. Then all the material will be exposed to you. And we urge you to make use of that. With that, I can say bye-bye. See you then. Stick with us. We are simply the best.